In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Microsoft Teams meetings from setup to in-meeting use. Before we jump into a meeting, there are two quick prerequisites. First, make sure your organization is on a qualifying Microsoft 365 plan, such as E3, E5, or Business Premium. Copilot relies on features included in those plans. Second, your Teams administrator needs to enable Copilot in the Teams Admin Center. This is configured under meeting policies, and it's important that transcription is turned on there as well. If you're not the admin, a quick check-in with your IT team can save you time later if Copilot or transcription doesn't appear. Once that's set, start or join your team's meeting just like you normally would. After you're in, you'll enable transcription. In the meeting controls, click the More menu, the three dots, and choose Record and Transcribe, then select Start Transcription. Copilot uses the live transcript to understand what's being said, so this step is essential. You'll be prompted to set the meeting's language. Pick the one participants are using so Copilot can deliver accurate summaries and answers. With transcription running, look for the Copilot icon in the meeting controls. If you joined late, you might see a notification letting you know that Copilot is available. Click the Copilot icon to open the sidebar on the right. This is your workspace for getting instant help during the meeting. From here, you can ask Copilot to summarize what's been discussed so far, which is perfect if you arrive a few minutes late or need a quick reset. You can request key points, decisions made, or action items, and Copilot will pull them from the live conversation. If you're multitasking, ask Copilot to highlight open questions or risks mentioned by the group, or to list who is responsible for each follow-up. You can also ask for a recap of a specific topic, like the budget section or a particular agenda item, to keep the discussion focused and efficient. A few tips to get the best results. Be specific with your prompts, reference names or topics mentioned in the meeting, and if something looks off, refine your question. Remember that Copilot reflects what's in the transcript, so clear audio and speaking one at a time help a lot. If you don't see the Copilot icon, double-check that transcription is on and confirm with your admin that Copilot is enabled in your meeting policy. That's all you need to start using Copilot in Teams meetings. Turn on transcription, open Copilot, and let it help you track what matters in real time.